Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Freedom Motif on guitar. We'll start by ensuring your instrument is ready. First, make sure your guitar is tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. Then, get comfortable with your left hand positioned over the fretboard, ready to press down on the strings. Finally, prepare your picking hand to use a light, consistent touch for clear notes. Now, let's dive into the core melody of the Freedom Motif. We'll use just 2 strings for this simple phrase. Start by playing the open G string, letting it ring clearly. Immediately after, place a finger on the 2nd fret of that same G string and play it. Then, move to the open B string. Finally, fret the 3rd fret on the B string to complete the phrase. This sequence creates a memorable sound. To bring the Freedom Motif to life, let's focus on rhythm and feel. Try to play each note for approximately 1 second, giving it space to resonate. For a clear and strong sound, use consistent downstrokes with your picking hand. Once you're comfortable with the timing, gradually experiment with a slightly faster tempo. This will help you find the natural flow and expression of the melody, making it truly your own. Consistent practice is key to mastering the Freedom Motif. Begin by practicing very slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly and cleanly. Aim to repeat the entire motif 10 to 15 times every day to build muscle memory. As you improve, try playing it along with a metronome, starting at a slow pace and gradually increasing the speed. This dedicated practice will solidify your playing and help you progress quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.